That's property, or if you are not sure, just type border. See, border collapse. You can see is a property, it's the name here. Click on it, border collapse. So what will happen to is narrow refresh. Do you see that spaces again? No, it's gone. Alright. But if you want spaces to be in between all these texts, as in you want padding, let me show you. Padding like this, 10 pixel. You will see that everything we see is big. I like it like this. Okay. Now, but this one is at the center, this one is center, but this one is at the left side. So let's do this center and refresh. You can see everything is at the center. But if you want left, you can see everything comes to left. Okay. Now, but let me add one more data to this. Come down here. Let's add one more data. Just copy this, paste. So this one should be Mr. Ajale Koko. So I add one more data to this. Okay. Now I want this place to have one back. No, sorry, this is head. Okay. I want when my mouse is on it, the background of this place should change, or if my mouse on this one, the background should change. What will you do? What is that thing? I'm talking of TD. You know this TD, 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 TH. Okay, I'm talking of TD. Do it like this. We are through with this code. We open this code here, we end it here, so we are through. Now I want my TD, the table data. Anytime I move my mouse on it, something should happen as in just change by color. So what we do to that? Just say TD colon over. This over means when your mouse is on it, what will happen? Background color should change to D D D D D D D. Is any color? I just use this color there, like that color. You can see. But I don't like it like this. I want row, full row to have that background color, full row. Wow, you see it now. You see. Okay, what if I want my mouse to change to like pointer? What will you do? Right cursor, pointer, and see what will happen. You see my cursor, it looks like ant. Okay, it looks like ant. See? Alright, now, but we don't really know what this table entails. Or okay, let's do like this. This one, I want here to have this background, here to have white background, here to have this background. What will you do? You can just use like this. TR this ends child even background this. Now you can see end child means even. Even means that you start from what? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. You see the first row I have here is 0, it start from here, 1, it leave am, 0 and 2, it counts it. So it will be jumping 1, that is even. We still have odd. This one we count it from 1. You see, we count it from 1. So that even means it is even start from 2. That is even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if we use even number, you can see the first is this. It's now take 2, which is the second one. You change the background. It will leave this one. It take number 4. So that's how even works. But even odd, even now odd, it is the first we start, it will leave this the first we start, it will leave the second one, it will take the third. You can just change it here. Okay, but I don't really need this one here. Alright, what if I want people to know what my table is all about? You can add caption to it. Where we will put caption is immediately after table. immediately after table here, let's add a caption. So this one, that is employee data. Let's check. You can see employee what data. Okay, that is a simple way you can use table. Now, what if I want the total of the salary here? I just want here to be total and salary. Here should be empty. What will you do? Now come to the last here. You know I told you that the first is table row. The first is the table row. Now come here. I said I don't want anything here, but I want something here. So the first is TD, table data. But I said I don't want anything here. I want something here. That means I'm going to merge here and here together so that I can have one thing here. How you merge two columns together? They call it column span. That co-span. How many columns you want to merge together? Two. So what do you want to put inside? Total. Total salary. So this place, this TD now is representing how many TD? Two. So it's two TD. The last one will now be total of their salary. What is the total of the salary now? I think it's 5 million. Ampersand this 8358. That is 5 million. So you can see that I have 3 TD here, I have 2 TD here. Don't mind. This one is 3 TD. Why? Because this TD is 2. You can see 2 plus this one making 3. So this 3, this is also 3 like that. Okay. Yeah, you can see image this and this together, it becomes small. If you want to move this one to this side, what will you do? Just add a line here, a line right. That means it should come to the right side. You see, so total salary is this now. I think this shows, but in this place, yeah, that is it. That is all. All right. What if, let me add more effect to this. This your table. You want this your table to just come up small. You can come to this place and add this code. Oh, let me quickly explain the meaning, what I mean by solid here. You can see when I use solid, you see how the color. Let me use red so that I can see it very clearly. You can see everything looks like this. We have dotted. If I change this thing to dotted, you can see everything will be like dots. Okay, we have dashed. Everything will be like a dash. So when we come to that place, I will explain better. Yeah. So before I leave this place, let me add little thing to this box. To that our table, let's add box shadow. What is the width of the shadow you want? Let's say 4 pixel, 4 pixel left, 4 pixel right, 4 pixel bottom. What is the color? Gray. The color of the shadow, gray. So like left to right, bottom, top, like that. Refresh. You can see what comes down here like a shadow. Yes, so it comes up. If it's too much, change to 2. Refresh. You can see that your table comes up like this is shadow. It adds shadow to this place. So you add shadow to this side. So you add shadow to this side. So this is our table. The one I explained the other time that you can add border radius. Let's add 10 pixel and see what will happen. Let's leave this. So you see your table comes up like this. So this is a simple table using CSS and HTML.